How to mount a miniature beam load cell. This includes models MB miniature beam load cell and MBP overload protected miniature beam load cell. The MB miniature beam load cell and MBP overload protected miniature beam load cell are designed to be used in scale pits and batching plants or other locations that are directly exposed to the weather. The MB should be mounted to a flat rigid surface. Fasten the MB securely to the mounting surface with two 832 by 1 1/4 inch screws. Tighten to 24 inch-pounds or 2.7 Newton-meters. Torque is recommended for best performance. Typical installation attachment methods. The MiniBeam load cells are designed for controlled environment applications. In general, they can be used anywhere a readout instrument is used. Once the MB is securely fastened to the mounting surface, the compression force can be applied using an 832 threaded rod. Secure the threaded rod in place with a 832 hex nut. Compression force can now be safely applied. Please exercise caution during handling and installation of these load cells. The application of a force equaling more than 150% of the rated capacity, 7.5 pounds on MB5, 15 pounds on MB10, 37.5 pounds on MB25, and up, can result in irreparable damage. A 5/32 steel wire cable can also be used to apply the compression force to the MiniBeam. Fasten the steel wire cable using a 5/32 wire cable stop with set screws. Secure the wire cable stop to the steel wire cable by tightening the two set screws on the wire cable stop. Compression force can now be safely applied. These units are not intended for submerged operation. A moisture-resistant coating is applied for capacities 25 through 250 pounds to protect MB series from high humidity conditions up to and including 95% relative humidity and periodic exposure to condensation.